All right, so I've got a buddy whose mom's going through dialysis, and she needs her pants to open up all the way on one leg. So I'm going to take both of these pairs of pants, I'm going to open the seams up, stitch them so that it's a finished edge instead of just the raw edge like the inside. And then one of them I'm going to put snaps, and the other one I'm going to put velcro. So that's what we're doing today. First thing we need to do, get a trusty razor blade and start opening these up. There you go, we're opened up. So I'm going to do the same thing in the other pair, and then we'll put the snaps and velcro in. Alright, so all I'm doing on these is folding these in, and I'm just going to sew all the way down and close up this this edge here. Alright, so everything's opened up, and I finished these seams. Get rid of the extra threads if you can. So I'm going to be putting snaps on this pair, and for snaps I've got this kit. I just bought it off Amazon. It comes with the 3 punches that you're going to need, and the die. You're going to have the top part of the snap that goes up to the outside, the part of the snap that protrudes out the male side, and then the female side, so these two will go together and clip. So you'll have, this will be on the outside of the pant, this will be on the inside, like that, and then this will be on the inside of the outside of the other side. And there's one more piece, this long one, that'll go on the inside. So those two will go together, and those two will go together. And there's 2 dies. The one die is like a point, and it goes into the hole of this. So you'll put this on through the fabric, put that on, and then hammer this down. Then the other one is, it's like 2 caps. This will go in through the fabric, and then that cap will go on top of it. And then this die has like a little hole in the end, and it goes over top of that, and that'll hammer down. And then the third die is a hole punch, and it actually just punches a hole in the fabric the right size. So I've got this little piece of plastic that I use for punching holes so it doesn't go through the other side. So I'm going to start up here on the elastic band, and I'm going to see if I can't get 2. Yeah, I'm going to put 2 on there. So the first thing you're going to do is mark where your holes need to go. I'm going to mark my 2 holes. I'm going to use my punch that punches holes and punch a hole through the fabric. Then you'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to put these on this side, and then this piece. There's 2 sides to this little die that you're going to be hammering against. A flat side that we use for the flat pieces. So I'll put that on there. Put the inside of the snap. Get the die that's pointed. Hammer that down. Do another one right next to it. Got those 2 on that side. Then we'll use this part of the snap. We'll go through. For this, I used the other side of the die. It's got a little point on it, so I'll put that down with this on top of it. That'll go on top of that, and then the die with the hole in it. Okay, that's done for the top. And those will snap together and hold it. So I'll probably do every, I don't know, 8 inches or so, all the way down until I get to the bottom. I got 2 for the waist so they don't come apart too easy, and 1 every 8 inches going all the way down. So that ought to do it. So for the other one, they want Velcro going all the way down. So I'm going to find some Velcro and cut some squares or some rectangles, and then we'll get them placed on there. Alright, so I found some 3/4 Velcro, and I'll make the top one 2 inches. And then the rest of them I'll do just 1 inch. So I'll put this one up at the top since it's a little bit longer. I'm going to put the soft side, the side that's going towards her body, on the soft side, just in case it's a little crooked or something. It won't be this rough side bugging her. So I'm going to put these Velcros every 5 inches instead of the 8 inches like the snaps were. So I'm just going to go down through here and mark. Every 5. And then I'll just take it over the sewing machine and sew these on. Alright, there we have it. Some Velcro that comes apart. And the other pair with snaps. And they should be able to, you know, take the legs apart so that she can do her dialysis and not have an issue with trying to deal with taking the pants off or whatever. So there you have it. If you need to open a pair of pajama pants up, put some snaps on them to get you easier with dialysis, that's how you do it. So for these, they're for a friend of mine, so I probably won't charge them, but for the materials, maybe $20 or something. You could charge, usually to sew a patch on, we charge $5 to $7. So that's for each thing of Velcro. But I probably wouldn't charge 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 bucks for a pair of pants. I might charge $20 or $30 a piece. It's quite a bit of work. You know, you have to open the whole thing up and sew it and sew the Velcro on or put all the snaps on. Snaps would be $3 to $5 a piece. So you could charge 6, you could charge 30 bucks just for the snaps, and another 10 for doing all the sewing and stuff. Anywhere, you know, $30 to $40 would probably be retail, but since he's a friend of mine, I'll just charge him 20 and we'll go from there. So if you're doing it for yourself, quick and easy, or if you're trying to make money on it, you know, you could charge $30 or $40 a pair for these. So hey, thanks for watching, tuning in to see me sew these dialysis pants. If you want more cool videos, sewing videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.